bilang nagkakaisang pwersa ng pulisya para sa serbisyo sa Diyos, sa bayan at sa mamamayan. Amen.
Amen.
Please all be seated.
In support of the organization's programs and projects, manifested through their high degree of professionalism,
His Excellencies of the Diplomatic Corps, fellow policemen, friends of the PNP, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, 8-1901 by virtue of the Philippine Constabulary noong 1948.
Thank you, sir. For risking his life while conducting Agwit.
pursuant to Special Order Number 2687.
The Medalya ng Katapangan, PNP Bravery Medal.
The Medalya ng Katapangan or PNP Bravery Medal Interim is awarded to police.
Plaque of Merit is presented to Police Senior Superintendent Manuel Garlan for
Plaque of Merit is presented to Police.
Plaque of Merit is presented to Police Chief Inspector.
Plaque of Merit is presented to Senior Police Officer 4.
The Plaque of Merit and the Napolcom streamer are awarded to Headquarters Support.
Winawakasan na natin ang kaisipang wangwang na nagpabulok sa sistemang umiiral sa lipunan. Sa inyong ahensya halimbawa, binubusisi at hinahalongkat natin ang mga anomalya hindi para pahirapan kayo at lalo pang ilubog sa kumunoy ng pagdududa. Kailangan munang ayusin ang mga transaksyon sa inyong ahensya upang ang perang inalaan para sa inyo ay mapunta sa mga makabuluhang proyekto at programa para sa kabuuang kapulisan. Sa ganitong paraan, epektibo ninyong maisa sa katuparan ang inyong trabaho na tugisin ang mga tiwali at kumukonsinti sa baluktot na sistema.
Integrated National Police, and up to becoming what it is today, the Philippine National Police, national in scope and civilian in character. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now all... And that concludes our ceremony, ladies and gentlemen. Mabuhay ang Philippine National Police. Our heartfelt thanks to our guest of honor and speaker.